Hi, welcome to my channel. Guys, today we're gonna be playing Beastworm. We're gonna buy the 31 Hives Slot. So I've been saving up. Let's buy. Yes, we buy the third. Oh, it's 78. What a surprise! What a surprise! Now let's put our bee inside our hive slot. We're ready, boys. Are you ready, boys? Okay, let's open the egg shop. I use the egg shop always. So it's 6 million, not much of a deal. So we got 41. Oh, sorry, Blazer Mox texting. Man, okay, so we got 31 hive slot. Let's, oh no, don't accidentally put it in the bumblebee. Don't accidentally do that. Oh, somebody has demon mask. Let's hatch it. No, it's lagging for me. It's lags. Hey, we got a bumblebee. A bumble, not a bubble. A bumble. Let's royal jelly. I don't like a hasty, stubborn, looker. Another bumblebee. Exhausted bee. Another fire bee. Yes, I have a gifted version of that. A cool bee, please be a good one. A rad bee. Why? Okay, let's give our neon berry. Oh wait, this guy has the neon berry. Am I right? Yep, he has the neon berry. Let's give it to honey bee. Wait. Sorry, school problems. School. Okay. Let me. Let's defeat King Beetle. Let's defeat the King Beetle. Yeah, let's defeat the King Beetle. Oh, what? 3 hours? What? Okay, let's get should I get it? What happened there? What freaking what's happening? You know, I'm not gonna question it. Why am I looking at my buddies? Oh, let's go to Strawberry Field because I have a quest for. Is it hit? Yeah, I have a quest for. Is it Black Bear? Oh, it's level 2. Oh man, you can see I'm so. How can I do this? Bro, if you remember the old vids, I'm not like this. I'm not like a pro. I'm like a noob. But now I'm a pro. I have one event bee. I'm gonna get that vicious bee next. I have 200 stingers. I have 200 stingers. Yeah, 200 stingers and. I need to 50 more, and I'm gonna replace it with level 2 rad. I should replace it there. Wait, how many was my? Yeah, I'm completing battle badge too. To ace because I'm getting lots of aces right now. Wait, let me just check. Check. How many? No, it's not saying where. Um. Oh, there you go. 3 million. Should I do spider film then? This is the hard ones. That's the hard decision. Should I use my field booster? Wait, let me check the gingerbread house. Okay, another gingerbread. Let's get 2 gingerbread. Because if we don't know, just go on. You know, let's grind to the mountaintop. Grind to the mountaintop. That's the next grind. I have axes here. Oh, what's this? What's that? I never knew this. Boost, open boost market. Every 30 minutes you may purchase one of these boosts. What? There are billions. Then stump. What? Okay, that's expensive. I got the diamond egg. So if you have this, you can just auto jump. Just jump and jump. And then you can go to a black bear, but it's not black bear. 30 minutes. You're saying I have to wait 30 minutes to summon a level 20 and a callback, dude. Why? Okay, let's wait for nighttime. Let's wait for a night cycle. And is it gonna be nighttime? Oh, it's gonna be nighttime. No, it just became. Hey, festive gifts. Hey. Oh, pretty nice people, boys. Should I? I'm thinking that I should buy tickets. So I said, should I? Okay. I'm just thinking. 41 million honey. If you don't, if you're saying where did you get the 41 million honey, Onet gave me. Yes, Onet gave me. I have to complete his quest. Look. Star Journey. I'm saving up for 35 bees, and then I'm gonna buy the porcelain dipper, and then I look like a pro now. So let me just check. Oh, just 30 late. So I spent my honey for this and this. How is it that? Okay. Monda chick just spawned. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you okay? I have 3 rage bees, and that means I have 3 rages. Oh, it's jump. It's the name of the jump law. Is it another? Oh, okay. Let's save it. I don't care. Ah, don't kill me. Oh, it's a bacon. I don't care. What I play again? Don't know what I just said, but I have 15 minutes, and I have to wait for nighttime. Okay, so I died. I was close to go get honey, but I died. So I want to complete Onet's quest. But give me... Oh, the 32 Hives Slot. Should I? Okay, wait. I've been waiting all day to do this. Wait, oh. Boing, boing. I have high jump boost. Hello, mellow fellow. The music changed. Yes. I've completed 7. And now we could open glowing gift. Wow. What? How many gingerbreads does it give you? What? Okay, let's check what I just got. 10 glue, 20 neon berries, 1 bubble light, 4 gingerbreads. And I'm not even gonna even question it. What just happened? I have 10 glue. What just freaking happened? I did this before. People's video, they got gumdrops. I think it's random. I just think it's random. They just why? I don't want to do the challenge. If you want to get some neon berries, you can do what I just did, or just go here and get your free neon berry and get your free tickets as well. Oh look, a little Nas X. Hello, look at this. Boing. Ah. Oh, we can't go there. Oh, there you go. And let's go. Oh, right up here. Then gumdrops. Oh, the gummy there. This is the glue dispenser. There's unlimited gumdrops. Let's reset character. It's like, hey you! My character's like, oh okay. And okay, let's go and use our limited gumdrops in spider field, so I could get more glue. Unlimited gumdrops. This is not gonna end. I have unlimited gumdrops, so this is good. I have a gumdrop ace. It's gonna be there will be an ace. It's gonna be gumdrops. Somebody just hashtagged. Nice. That's not nice. Oh, what is that? Oh, we got ×2 rage. That's good. Oh wait, how many gingerbreads do I have? Oh, I got 34. Last time I got 60 gingerbreads, and I spent it. Now, wait, how many? Okay. I want lots of goo, because lots of goo. Glue. Lots of glue means I'm gonna get the Gumby mask. I'm not gonna stuck with this more mask, but the Beekeeper's mask is your first mask that you need. It's pretty good. I need these bubbles. Oh, nighttime cycle of the auto. Listen for the vicious bees to spawn at night, my friends. Listen for the screams. There. Defeat the Velo fellow. Jump. Jump. Duke. You dead. Werewolf and spider gives you tickets, okay? Check Rose and Clover. Is it 4 o'clock? Yes, it's 4 o'clock. I'm waiting for 4 o'clock because actually Vicious Bee spawn and it's gonna give us the times. What do you call it? Ooh, ticket. It's gonna give us a daily bone. Go, go, go. Defeat it. I need a daily bonus. Just look at it. Daily bonus will be given to me. Wow, that's good. Everybody's here. Ha! Are you freaking serious? Everybody in the gang is there. The Mondo, Wendy B, Vicious B, everybody in the gang. Everybody in the gang is here. Collect the tokens. We got the tokens. We're Mondo is in low health. That was a close one, Henry. Hey, it's times 2. Nice. 1 million honey. The micros, this. Let's use this. Defeat the vicious. Defeat the vicious. We need those fellow mellow steroids. Doesn't make any sense.